In this video, I will show you how to use ink to shape in Word. If you want to highlight the words like in a shape, like this one is the oval and there is a square and there is a pyramid shape. So how you can do this? So go to the draw on the upper menu bar, click on that, click on the ink to shape and pick the color. I am selecting red one. And after that you need to drag the word which you want to highlight with the circle. For example, I am circling this word. So here you can see that the word is in circle now. And similarly, if you want to mark this word in square shape, you just need to highlight it. So if you want to highlight the word in triangle shape, you need to create a triangle. Make sure you should touch the lines, otherwise it won't be give the shape. For example, I am writing, you can see that I'm not touching the lines here, but it does not give the shape. So make sure you should touch the lines without any space. So in this way you can easily use the ink to shape in Microsoft Word.